previously, my background is previously working as the test engineer.
Oh, test
So,
engineer, software engineer.
software test engineer, yes, mainly on the software itself.
Great.
Uh, uh, yeah, mostly on the manual and automation. To automating is mostly using C language. But
Oh,
this Python, I think Python, this one is first time for me to
oh,
use.
this is
Yeah,
the
but
first
but
time. Hmm.
yeah, but anyway, I have this learning Python this starting this year already.
Oh,
Starting third month of year. So
okay.
I think at least a basic Python I know at least basic. So that's why
Oh,
this learning so I can learn more.
yes. Okay, no problem. I will help you from the basic itself.
Yes.
So, may I know your that is a work experience?
Sorry.
Work experience, Mr. Muhammad.
Work experience. I work as software test engineer.
Software tech. How long?
I was a software test engineer for 10 years.
Wow, 10 years.
That's just already.
Why
Yeah, but
you
but
become a retrenched worker? 10 years experience in the same
uh,
company.
in the same company, yes, it's the same
Okay.
company. It's 5 years as test doing the doing the hands-on experience on the testing itself, and then another
Okay.
5 years is more on the management. Five
Okay.
years is more on the test management,
Okay.
doing a projects on the software.
Okay.
So
Then,
there was there was a restructuring period. It's as usual. More company are going through this restructuring period, not just my previous company.
okay.
So yeah, so because of this restructuring period, so
Uh,
the position is made redundant, and
okay.
then there is no suitable for position for me anymore. So that's why there is come to this mutual agreement for the retrenchment.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So, okay, no problem. You try for yourself for a, go for another job. Okay. So,
Yes.
during the training, during the 10 days, if you want to go any interview means, please WhatsApp me. Okay. Later, I will share my mobile number to everybody. So, if you
Okay.
have any emergency work, anything means, please inform to me.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. No problem.
So, yeah. So, all the best for your future job, Mr. Muhammad.
Thank you,
So
Mr. Rada.
try to work. So try to approach to many company. Okay, so whether if you go for software test means it will be good for you because you already have the 10 years experience, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
but you learn this concept as well. Okay, so even you can go for analysis means it will be very helpful for your career as well.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Yes,
Okay. Thank you.
Miss Rajayash, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi everybody.
Yes.
Uh, if you think that Muhammad has been working for so long, I've been working even longer, but I started early. Um, this thing, uh, Hadri, you've been um, doing your
Uh,
still kind of
Miss Rajayash,
I
sorry to
think that
interrupt you.
Ms. Raja is breaking, is it?
IT. I'm working in IT. I'm also major for a long time ago. I started say a software and then I moved on to so on that are kind of in technical role and I was doing
Mr. Rajayash, sorry to interrupt you. I think your voice is lacking.
Yeah,
Can
I think it's breaking. I thought it was me only. So I think
oh,
it's from Ms. Raja. It's
okay.
breaking.
Yes. Mr. Rajayash, can you? Okay, fine.
I think it's joining.
Okay, okay, fine. So both are from same company only, right, Mr. Muhammad?
Ah, yeah, I don't quite know Mr. Raja. Ah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, Mr. Raja, are you? Can you hear me? Okay, I think, please check with your mic.
Can you hear me? Okay, now
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
is it better?
Yes.
Okay. So I only did software engineering for the first, I think, 5 years of my 3 to 5 years of my working life, and I move on to project management. So I
Okay.
haven't been technical for so long, so I hope everybody here can be a bit patient with me.
Okay.
Ay lama tak coding.
Okay.
But I wanted to start again, and I think Python is like the best. I think for me at least, the best language to learn for now. So that's a little bit about me.
Okay, fine. Good. So, you are very well about Python, otherwise, you are new to Python.
Very, very new, extremely new.
Come again?
Very new.
Very new. Okay, no worry, no worry. So, you are the project management, right? Officer, previous.
Yes.
Yes.
After working in software engineering, I mean, I did very like in my junior years of working, and then I move on to management. So yeah, I haven't been coding for so long.
Okay. Okay, super good, good. So, good. Okay, so no worry, we'll guide you. Okay. So,
Thank
yes.
you.
Okay, okay, everybody having the computer with you?
Yep.
Sir Muhammad,
Yep.
Mr. Raja? Okay, fine.
Yeah, sure.
Great. So, okay. So, anyone, can you please share your screen? Let me guide you.
Mm.
Yes, anyone.
Let me.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay, no problem.
So sharing the screen, right?
Yes.
My desktop screen, is it?
Yes.
Okay. I think you guys can see, right? My screen.
Yes. Okay. So, go to Google browser. Yes, Mr. Raja, you also do. Okay. So, yes, go to the browser, Mr. Muhammad. Okay.
Okay.
Just type download Python. So Python is a open source software. Open source means that is a software which is available for internet. So no need to spend any money for buying the software. Okay. Yes, Mr. Raja, you also please try. Okay, so just type download Python. Once you download Python, the URL will be open. That is a python.org organization. So from this one, so you are going to download the Python software. Okay, so just click the downloads option, Mr. Muhammad. Second tab, about download document.
This one.
Second tab,
Oh, about download.
download
Okay.
tab.
No,
Okay,
no, no.
previous one. Okay, open. Okay, see the
Uh,
about download tabs. Yes. So your system is a Windows, right?
Yes, Windows. Currently
Fine.
running on Windows.
3.14.0. Yes, Mr. Raja, you also try. This is a current version.
yep,
So
yep, yep.
please download. So once download ready, and then exe file will be downloaded to your computer. Go for install. Mr. Muhammad, can you please share your entire screen? I couldn't able to see the exe. Yeah.
I put. Let me put it here.
Yes.
So I just run it. Wait.
Okay, so 64-bit system. Okay, install now. click install now. Once you click install now, the system will be set up to you. Okay. So once installation done, we are going to install the one more software. The software is called it for PyCharm. So please wait until it will be installed. So why we are going to install PyCharm means PyCharm is a IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So if you go for developing Python program means you must need one editor. There is a text editor. If you go for run the program means you must need for one interpreter. So Python is a interpreter programming language. Okay, so just close. So once close ready. Okay, so go back to Chrome. There is a browser. Go back to your browser and then type download PyCharm. 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 Yes.
PyCharm. Okay, using PyCharm.
Yes. Download first option.
Is it from JetBrains?
Yes. Data science and then a machine learning, artificial intelligence concepts program. If you go for developing means, you can go with using PyCharm. Yes. Mr. Raja, would you, yes, able to download the Python?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So please download the PyCharm as well.
Yes, downloading.
Go for install.
Hold on, it is downloading.
Yeah, this one is a big one.
Okay, download complete. And let's stop PyCharm here.
Go for install.
Sorry, mine is still downloading.
Okay, fine. Why I guide you for PyCharm means PyCharm is a user friendly. Okay. So once you install ready, no need for internet to run the programs, develop the programs and all. So even you can create a Python program for under Anaconda framework like a Jupyter notebook also. If you go for using Jupyter notebook means you need the internet facility. So here PyCharm no need to internet facility. Okay, even there is a Google Colab also which is available. That is an online Jupyter notebook. If you have the internet facility, you develop a data science program, machine learning program, artificial intelligence program in Google Colab as well. Okay, so once installation done and then we'll go for work. Okay, so please wait. So once installation done, we must select some check boxes for a virtual path automatic setting. So please wait, hold on.
Okay.
So classes will be started now. Today onwards. Okay, so today I'm having a dental appointment. That's why I am wind up the training for around 11:50 like this. So tomorrow onwards, 10 to 3. Okay, so usually we'll go with the morning. There is a theory part. Afternoon, I will give the some exercise question to you. You try for your side. Okay, so if you have any doubt or clarification, you talk to me as well. Okay.
Okay. So the afternoon session is started from 1 p.m.
2 o'clock. 1 to 2
2.
break.
Okay.
Lunch.
Okay. Okay.
And then
Sorry,
one more
so
thing,
the morning would
training.
be 10 to 1.
Yes, 10
Okay,
to 1, 1 to 2 break, and theory. That's a practical session. So this training, especially for hybrid training, so you must come to that is a PHCDC office one day. Okay, so please inform me. So uh, your available dates, because this is hybrid training. They need for the percussor need at least 1 day physical class. So every day I will take the screenshot of the class attendance as well. Okay, so you are
I could receive.
okay, super good. So now, okay, so yes, let me scroll little bit down. There is a other kind of program which is I added over there. Okay, so this is a one more example program similar for the previous bar graph. These are the categories of data and then their values. Okay, so that is for example, letter products information, category A, B, C, D, like this, their values. So from these categories and then values, I am going to draw the bar graph in order to adding some more formatting your graphs. See the formatting, I go for adding the title over the graph. So this is the x-axis. X-axis names is categories, y-axis name is values, like that I go for adding means just go for adding these are the additional method which is used to formatting your graph. Even plenty of method which is available. Later will be, you learn a little bit more. Okay. Yes. Please try for this program as well. So you can able to change the graphs colors as well. Different colors of the one as well. Okay.
So the list is in the sequence, right? So whatever we arrange the sequence, so if we still follow the sequence, like category A will take the value of 15.
Exactly.
Okay.
In C program, we called it for arrays concepts, no? So here that is called it for sequential data type. Even there is a one library especially for dedicated for array. That is a numerical Python library. Later you learn about the machine learning concept. You learn about that particular library as well. Okay. Anybody having any question?
No.
Okay, so yes. So this is a one more graph. This graph is called it for a like a line graph. Okay. So same only, that is a x-axis and then y-axis point. So after that, just you can using for the plot method. This plot method which is used to convert your data to line graph. Bar graph which is used to adding the bars over the data. So here plot method which is used to draw the line graph. Okay. So in this example, see the difference. Capital letter X and then small letter Y. So in machine learning world, capital letter variable which is representation for independent variable. Small letter variable which is a representation for dependent variable. For example, Mr. Muhammad got the 10 years experience. Based on the experience, salary will be fixed. For example, Mr. Muhammad salary is 10,000 means Suppose after 5 years, the salary will be increased. So this is a dependent variable. Independent variable is Mr. Muhammad name and then their experience. Based on that experience, the salary will be either goes high or less. That is a dependent variable. Understand, both of you, why this difference? Capital letter representation for independent variable. Small letter y is representation for the dependent variable. In machine learning world, there is a concept. Okay. So don't confuse why capital letter ma'am put and then why small letter put. Suppose employee name, employee age, employee salary, sorry, not a salary, employee experience, these are the independent variable. If you go for salary, dependent variable. So similar, for example, customers sales information, customer ID, customer name, phone number, email, these are the independent variable. Customer purchasing sales information, that is a dependent variable. Okay, so that is a representation. Later you will learn about these concepts more. Okay, so plot function which is used to draw the line graph. For example, in this example, if you go for changing the values, means just try for changing the value as well. Play with the data points. Okay, for example, let me go for 10 and then 20 and then 30. Here I modify the value with 50, 80 and then 100. See the output? So the value is like this. One minute. Let me scroll a little bit down. Okay, let me explain with the annotation. Take annotation. Okay. So this is a first point. If we go for draw the lines, means see, this is a first point, x1 and then y1 point. Let me take that. Okay, see, this is a first point 10, 50. So this point is a 10, 50. This is a 10, 50. So second point is 20, 80. This is a 20 and then 80. This point. 20, comma, 80. Okay. So next point is a 30, 100. This is a 30 and then y-axis is 100. This point is a 30, 100. So 3 lines which is added over there. Sorry, 2 lines. Okay, so here one, this is a 2 point, this is another 2 points. Okay, so 10, the line graph will be drawn like this only. Okay, based on the x1, y1 value, x2, y2 value. So because if you go for draw the line, means you need two endpoints. So this is a 1 point, this is a 1 point. Okay, this is a multi-line points which is used to draw the graph. Yes. Anybody having any question?
No.
So for dependent variable, how do you introduce the dependency?
Okay. So just take any data set. Okay. For example, employee experience. Okay, just take a employee experience. Okay, if the employee 5 years experience, 10 years experience, and then 20 years experience. Just take a project management job itself. If the employee having 5 years project management experience, means just have a Okay, salary is 5,000 means.
Yep.
Okay, if the experience increase means, now tell me salary will be increase or decrease?
Increase.
Increase. So this is a independent variable. Based on this experience, the salary will be that. That is a dependent. Based
Okay, how do you plot that?
okay. So every data, there is a independent, dependent is that. Okay, for example, small, one more example. Okay, so customers, that is a sales information. For example, customer 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the customer ID. Okay, if the customer spending more time in the shop means, for example, I am spending 20 minutes in the shop means, definitely I purchase little more. If I go to the shop less than 1 minute means, definitely I'm not purchasing that much product. Okay, so similar, there is a information which is there based on some scenario. The dependent is there, independent is there. Okay, so it is not suitable for all the data set. I'm not talking about all the data sets. Okay, if you go for do analysis, some data you must fix for the independent variable. Some data should be fit for the dependent variables. Okay, so you learn more about machine learning concepts for how we are going to categorize this data to dependent and then independence.
Okay, not yet. Okay.
Okay. So, yes. So this is a one behind here. Okay, concept. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is one more example. Okay, play with some other data points as well. Please try for employee data to convert it to line graph as well. There is a previous example, no? Employee salaries information as well. This is the one more example for the data points with the 4 datas. So this is a one more student information which is converted to pie graph. Okay, with the different colors as well. Okay. So each and every, without defining colors means the default value will be, default color will be taken. Okay, so if you mention this much colors means you can go for assigning colors as well. Here as well, you can assigning the colors. Without colors, it will be take default colors. If you define the colors, the bars will be depends on the colors which you mention. Okay, there is a one more. Okay, comma is that, no? So there is a syntax mistake. See, attribute errors. Okay, color. Okay. So parameter will be differ from one graph to another graph. Okay, see, based on the colors which I given, the bars will be there. Let me define the size as well. Okay, let me check. Size. Size. Okay, let me check. Okay, later I will later we will tell you. Okay, so I think bar size. Okay, let me check and then tell you. Okay, so here, yes, let me explain one more graph. This graph, pie chart. Okay, so pie chart, which is having the parameter. First parameter is a number parameter, so y-axis information. Second is a labels parameter, that is a x value. Okay, So based on that value which is passed here, the pie chart will be drawn over there. So if I want to add this legend means you can go for using a legend method as well. Legend method which is having for pie chart only, not other graph. Okay. So here x-axis, y-axis will name and then title over there. So finally display the informations. Okay. So mostly the visualization programs which is similar from one to another program only, but the parameter that is the graph which you apply, that is a method which you are going to pass, and then ordering for the arguments. So it will be differ only. Pie chart with the legend function. So this is one more example. Yes, if your data is huge data means. So here generally big data analytics. What is mean by big data? Volume of data is bigger. Okay, so before that we measure the memories for a computer is a bit, byte, megabyte, gigabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte. Now the volume of data is huge, so it will be goes for a next level. So now see, if I go for handling multiple data means a bar graph, pie chart, and then that is not suitable. Okay, so keep it in your mind always. Depends on the data set you go with the uh, chart preparation. But all the data set which is not suitable for all kind of that is a visualization. Some data set it is suitable for scatter. Some data set which is suitable for bar. Some data set is suitable for a graph, that is a line graph. So see to that another graph. If your volume of data is larger means I convert the data to scatter graph. Scatter graph means just points over the particular intersections of x-axis and then y-axis. Okay, so see to that. So based on the students' marks, just scatter graph is added over there. Same coding only, just using the scatter function with the parameters. Argument or parameters. Similar for title, X labels, Y labels, show method. So this concept which is used to convert the informations to okay, so if you have the data set, for example, you have the information in the Excel file, you have the information in CSV file, you have the information in some other file format means how we are going to converting the data to pictorial format. So that is a concept here for analysis, converting the data to a graph format. Why I am going to converting the data? In order to finding something from my data, in order to finding future predictions. For example, today petroleum per liter, for example, around 2 ringgit. So after 10 years, after 20 years, what is the price for the petrol? So I can able to predict. So I am not a predict 100%, but I can able to predict almost 90, 95, 98%. Okay, based on the data which you pass here. Similar, for example, I am in a Silangur state. So in Silangur state, now today double story in my place. I am in Ampang. So in my place today, my house price is 80K. Okay, so ringgit Malaysia. So today is 80K. After 10 years, I want to predict my house rate. Okay, so based on the prediction, I whether go for invest one more house or not. So I do some analysis means you can do the analysis with using this machine learning. Especially for example, you can go with using the regression concepts. Later you learn about more about the concept of regression classification, types of machine learning concepts for future predictions as well. Okay, so data is available. For example, I download a Silang, that is MPAJ data, that is for example previous 20 years data. So every year, so how the market value will be, that house price in my area is it will be increase. Every data is which is having in the MPAG that is a government portal. I download the data from portal and then do the analysis. So whether I go for investor one more house or not. Otherwise, let me go with the same house or not. Otherwise, let me go for selling this house and then go for outer area and then buy for three more house for the same cost. Okay, so because 800K is oh, that is a little more amount. If I go for little outer, that is compound side to buy the similar house, means I can able to buy for 3,000 ringgit Malaysia for three house. That is my another investment. So let me go for a analysis like this. So even I go with do the analysis for whether hosting, whether it is will be okay or not. So anything, I'm not depends for particular area. If I go for do analysis for a real time world means it will be very helpful. Okay, so here this one in my, I'm having one CSV file. In the CSV file which is having the student name, marks, information. So I convert my CSV files to pictorial representation. So far, what we done, we directly apply the data. But here in this example, I'm having a one CSV file, that is a Python visualization NTWT file in my hand. So from this file, I go for do the analysis for the students along with the marks. So based on this file, so the data will be coming scatter graph. Okay, so it will be around 60, I almost 67 data, I think so. Okay, so let me go for having okay, let me, how I go with importing my file to Colab means, okay. So before that, please make one small file in this Excel. Okay, so go for Excel, open the Microsoft Excel, create one small CSV file. Okay, so yes. Let me go for typing Excel and then go with open the Microsoft Excel. And then make a small CSV file, okay, for understanding. Okay, so let me open one smaller Microsoft Excel file and then make a smaller student information and then convert it to CSV file. Comments separated value files means, for example, if I go for storing the information, student ID, student name, marks means student ID, comma, student name, comma, student mark, like that. So that is called it for common separated value file. Okay, let me, where it is. To take the times to, okay, 1 minute. Otherwise, let me open my file. Okay, no worry. I am already having the files. Okay, so just if you want to import that file means click the folder icon and then right click over the empty place, click upload option. Python Visual NTWT student list. Okay. research. Enter. ITW. This file. Okay. Okay. So just see this file data. Just I double click over the file. So you can able to see what are the data which is available on the particular file. Okay, so just double click, see the output. So in this file, so there is a serial number, student name, along with the marks and then along with the result which is available. Okay, so here 10 rows information which is available. So 81 record. Okay, 88 record which is available. Okay. Okay, so I want to do the analysis from this particular files of data. Okay, so this concept especially, okay, so far we understand for the matplotlib.pyplot matrix plot library. This library especially converting the data to pictures. Okay, suppose if my data is some other format means I convert the data to machine readable. So this pandas library especially used for data science, converting your data to like a two-dimensional array. Okay, so that's why I am going to using this pandas libraries, which is called it for shortly PD. Okay, so here I mentioning the file path over there. This is a file path, Python visual underscore ntwt underscore student list.csv. This is a file name. From the file, I am going to read the particular CSV file from the particular path. Once I read the file, it will be converted to TF. TF is a data frame. So whatever information which is available on the particular data, that is a particular file, I convert the information to two-dimensional array and then store it as TF variable. So after that, I go for a from the TF variable. TF means like array, two-dimensional array. So from this two-dimensional array, whatever student's name which is there, that is for my x-axis. Whatever information which is available in the mark column, that is for y-axis. From this, I go for converting the scatter graph with the color green color. So that's it. As usual, depending is similar for the previous example. If you run the example, if you run the program, it will be converted the 88 records to wonderful scatter graph. Yes. Okay, so please wait. Let me, okay, 1 minute. Let me share this CSV file to everybody. Okay. So before that, there is one official group which is available. Okay, let me share the group ID to you. SIP group. Okay. Copy. Copy. Yes. Okay, so please join the group. There is an official WhatsApp group. Okay, so please join, both of you. Join via your Mobile? Okay. So this number is okay. So both of you joined ready. Okay. Okay. So now
Sure.
I'm going to share the file to everybody. 1 minute. This file.
Just checking. Is it just me or Radha's audio sounds a bit bad?
I also couldn't hear.
Okay. So Radha, something wrong with your headset maybe. You sound very like robotic. Maybe we can still make out what you said, but I thought it was my headset.
I could not hear Radha also.
Okay. Radha, can you hear us?
Okay. Mr. Muhammad, Mr. Raja, can you able to hear me?
Yes, yes. Now
Okay.
can.
So yes, I already shared the one
No,
CS.
no, no. Hang on. You sounded like a disturb, like a static. Is it just me or is that my problem?
Come
Can you
again?
hear me okay? Can you hear me okay, Hadri?
Yeah, I can hear you, Aja. I can hear you
Okay.
clearly.
Oh, okay. So it's my problem. Okay, let me log out and join again. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. So yes, can you able to download? Please download the file.
Okay, just download now.
Mr. Raja also, can you please download the file?
Raja is rejoining.
Okay. So once download the file, go for a upload the file in Colab and then try to run the program. Okay. So Mr. Raja, can you able to download the file? Yes. So both of you, please try for your side to upload the files in the Colab and then go for run the program. So once you run the program, please share the screenshot in that SAP group. So that is the official WhatsApp group. Okay, so all the students which we already teach, so we already trained 3 batches, especially big data analysis and then machine learning. Okay, so next week the students also will join for this training. Okay, so because of basic level, I already they already learn. So machine learning concepts only they're pending. Okay, so next week they will join with you. Okay, so this WhatsApp group, which I am going to sharing daily, that is activities, practical session questions, and then activities, all the class notes, which is shared in the groups. You can download the information from here. Okay, so later I will share that recording to you as well for the future reference. Okay, so if you feel any questions, means feel free to ask me anytime. So
Okay.
especially this WhatsApp group is specially created for the study purpose. So please use that WhatsApp group for study purpose only. Sorry. Yes. Then both of you having any question, let me know. So this is the same program which is convert the information to bar graph. So bars, 88 bars which is available. This is one more exercise which is used for like a pie graph for that is a fruits along with their sizes, colors like this. Plot graph, multiple lines of informations. So just to play with the graphs with your own data, colors, variety of colors you're going to apply. Okay, so program is available. So, okay, so just you can try to just modify the values, data points, and then see the graph changes as well. Okay, so yes, I want to take one session photo. Can you please turn on your camera? Let me take the photo.
Okay, hold on.
Yes, Mr. Raja, can you please turn on your camera? Hi, Mr. Muhammad.
Hi.
Yes, Mr. Raja, can you please turn on your camera? One minute, let me set up everything. Mr. Raja, can you please turn on your camera?
Camera's not working.
Okay. Okay. So otherwise, please join the training meeting with your mobile phone. Let me take one small photo
Okay.
and then yes.
Oh. Yeah.
Progress.
Sorry, I have a background. Hang on. Okay.
1 minute, let me rename.
Are you done, Madam?
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, so you also take the screenshot of the today's class as well. Later you for claiming in the Percos website. 1 minute, let me take. Take a screenshot along with the date as well. Because yeah, take a screenshot along with the date as well. That is a taskbar date as well. Because so little more about whether the training be conducted on the date as well as the participant is a right person or not. Everything they can check. Even they can check with the that is a dress code of the participant whether they are having for the individual dates as well. 1 minute, let me save this file and then take a one more screenshot. So during the training session, if you feel comfortable, means you can turn on your camera. Otherwise, no. Okay. So your visual. 1 minute. Save this file. First file. Save. So what? How is the today's class? Is it okay for you? Able to follow?
So far, yes.
Yes, so far, yes.
Okay, so now you feel free, feel a little comfortable for learning Python programming, right?
Mhm.
So generally, programming is not the toughest one. If we have a smaller interest and then know the syntax means program will be very you become a genius for the program.
Okay.
What happened? I couldn't able to save. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Let me take one more picture from my mobile phone as well. One minute. Okay. So both of you taken the picture?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, wait. Let me share my mobile. Okay. So in that SAP WhatsApp group, I am also one of the group admin. So that is my mobile number. Okay. The mobile number ending with the Wait, let me share my mobile number as well. Eight, 4, 0. Okay. So this is my mobile number. Okay, 01078402229. I'm the one of the admin in that SAP WhatsApp group. If you want to send any message, means for example any excuses for the training, means please personally WhatsApp to me. So please send hi message to me, both of you.